Hey gang, hope everybody's doing fantastic today. It's a little chilly out here in Northeast Florida, but we are at a Lennar community, Silver Meadows in SilverLeaf, and we're at their Sierra model. Pretty cool place. It's a really great plan. We've helped a lot of folks get into these, like in Palencia and some of the other communities Lennar builds in. So today we're going to take a peek and see what they're doing here in SilverLeaf. All right, gang. Again, I hope everybody's doing fantastic. We're at the Sierra, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage. 2,295 square feet. Cool little home. It's a great little medium-sized home. And before we get into it, you'll see the pavers here on the driveway and all. And part of everything included that Lennar does. That's part of their deal. Everything included, and that includes paver driveways. All right. This is the elevation HA. Also, everything's smarted up. That's part of what they do as well. Okay. Again, I hope everybody's doing fantastic. The one thing I did notice about this Sierra, and this also can come as a Sierra bonus where you have a second floor. This particular one is just a single story. They have done some little designer touches in here that are not, nice flex room right out front here. They are not that hard to do on your own. Like this tongue and groove ceiling they put in here. I was pretty impressed. And the colors, these blue colors they've used throughout the house. But this office flex space with the French doors, the 8-foot French doors, pretty sweet. Then the tongue and groove over there on that side of the entry space. 5.25-inch baseboards. Ceramic tile throughout. Pretty dang nice. Coming into here, this Sierra, the Sierra, has one of the largest, in my production home, I'll say, islands that I have seen, and it's been this way for a long time. You got these cabinets down here on the end of the island. Okay, this is just a fake. I believe this one's just a fake cover. Yeah, that's just a faker. But you got these nice deep cabinets here. Nice wide drawer for whatever extra stuff you got. Let me throw my paperwork down so we don't keep rattling that on you. But this one's got the Gourmet upgraded package. Again, Frigidaire gallery, and you got a lot of cabinets here. Oh my gosh, you got a lot of cabinets to use. Double oven, convection on top, I believe it is. 5-burner cooktop. But if you like to cook, this one's been tuned up with a little filter right there. It looks like. If you like to cook, this could be your kitchen. Plenty of receptacles across the countertop. Pantry, just like what I noticed in the other one. Not the biggest pantry. Still could do a pretty good job, just not the biggest one. See what these cabinets look like. Very nice. Oh, are they soft close? Oh, no, they're not. But you know, it's easy to make those soft close. There's pieces you can buy to make those completely soft close. Again, LED lighting throughout. Specific door handles we'll point out here in just a moment. I love the colors, the light blue, the dark blue. They've done a good job with this model. And this is the things that you could do after closing. Wouldn't cost you much at all. All right, coming on in here to the laundry space. SilverLeaf, we know, is a natural gas community, so that's why we have the stub down there. You can do that and then have your 110 for your igniter, or you can do a 220, just an electric dryer. All right, we also have our low volt cabinet where all your cabling, your routers, all that comes in the house. Now the garage is a little messy because they use it as a little bit of storage here. But your standard 2-car garage, nothing crazy, nothing exciting out here. Okay. Sharon and I do appreciate you guys always coming along. We're happy to give you great information. We love helping folks get into new homes. You guys should check out what Sharon's doing with the SilverLeaf pages on our website, Welcome Home St. John. She has got a map function on there that helps you dial things in. Oh my gosh, she's doing such a great job. Powder bath here. Let me turn on this. This is the half bath. Nice, cool little squared up pedestal sink. Yeah, very nice. I love that color. All right. There's your Wi-Fi enabled thermostat, Honeywell. Those are really good thermostats. I like that product line. All right, coming into our secondary bedrooms here on the back hall, I'll call it. Very good size. They're all about the same size. They're pretty much even on size. Nice bypass doors. And on the Royal Collection, you get the handle, the style handle versus a knob. So that's kind of nice. Again, along with the 5.25-inch baseboards. And kind of a mirror image bedroom. All low E glass like all homes now have for energy efficiency. Again, like I mentioned with the medallion bonus, as I walk through this house, the heating, the air movement seems to be very consistent Okay. Coming down the back hallway, you have this huge closet here. Now, what are you going to use it for? This is kind of set up as a coat closet, storage closet, extra space on the floor. So maybe this could be used as part of your pantry system too, or towel storage and stuff like that. So it's just a nice utility closet, air-conditioned indoor utility closet that you could use for various things around the house. Again, third bedroom down here, down the hallway. Same bypass doors are consistent throughout their homes. Okay. Hope you guys learn a little bit from our videos. If you ever want to drop a comment, that would be pretty cool. Ask me a question, give it a thumbs up. That's always a bonus. Google algorithm loves this. Tile to the ceiling in all of their bathrooms. And this is a fiberglass tub, guys, but it looks like a metal tub. I thought it was a metal tub, and when I was in the medallion bonus, I had a tap on it. It's fiberglass, but my God, is that strong. You can feel it. But it looks like a metal tub with the rough bottom there so you don't slip and fall. So pretty nice. Yeah, a lot of counter space there for that single sink, plenty of cabinets. But yeah, if you want to drop me a comment, that'd be cool. Ask a question, say you're doing a good job, say what you like about the videos. Tell us how to improve our videos. That would be cool. I'd like that. I always like feedback. Or if there's another community you like, give us that too. Maybe there's one I haven't thought of, or one that's up on the list but haven't really got there yet. Oh, by the way, if this was a medallion, or excuse me, if this was a Sierra bonus, this air handler closet would be where the stairwells would be to go upstairs. Then they just relocate the air handler to the second floor. But coming into the gathering space, look at this. Pretty nice. Tongue and groove they did on that wall over there. Like, so look really good. And you know what? Sometimes I'm not a huge fan of the island and then the dining space and then the living room. But this is pretty spread out. Let me come from this side. This is they got a nice sitting area right there. Look at that. That's still pretty, that's almost like this is like an eat-in kitchen, and then you still have the gathering space over there. Pretty dang nice. All right, let's go check out the master. Again, everything's included, and that includes pavered patio and screen on the lanai. All right, and this is a nice size one. It's not huge, not tiny. It's a good size. That's a 6-topper. Probably put a TV up on the wall somewhere. Have a nice sitting area. Coming into the master. Again, plenty of room here. Plenty of room. And in the master bath, you have your 2 sinks, and it's got a tub, okay? And these drawers are actually usable width. Sometimes these drawers, you go into a builder, and the drawers have a good face on them, but the drawer size itself, the box isn't huge. Now this one's got the soaking tub, but it's got a smaller shower, okay? I'll have to look at the sheet and see if we can if they have any options for moving that and just eliminating the tub. I'll have to find that out. All right. Let's see, kind of a medium-sized closet. Yeah, still good enough. Still plenty of room. All right, of course, our toilet area. Coming back out into the master. Again, Sharon and I do appreciate you guys. We're dedicated single agents. We only work with buyers. We love what we do, and we love helping folks. This is a beautiful, beautiful little kitchen dining setup. All right, gang, that was the Sierra by Lennar here at SilverLeaf. Silver Landing in SilverLeaf. Got a little tongue-tied there. Hope you enjoyed the tour. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment below. Let me know what you think about the house or how I do my videos. Whatever you want to leave, we'll chat, we'll talk about it. But if you'd like to learn more about homes, get into a new home, Sharon and I would be honored and blessed to help you guys. Give us a call, learn more about us, let us learn about what you're trying to accomplish, and together we can make some great decisions. Anyway, I want you to have a fantastic day. See you on the next one. Thanks.